Okay, in this screencast, I'm going to show you how to create a split screen to help you navigate and complete the BL001 Reading and Learning Guide. By the way, that stands for Business Law. All of the lessons in this program are designated by abbreviation based on the subject matter. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the Learning Guide and download that and pull it up. Click Enable Editing. And then what I want to do is snap this to the right hand side of my screen. So I'm going to make sure that my cursor is somewhere on this document, and I'm going to hold down the Windows button, the one that literally looks like a little window. I'm going to hold that and click the right arrow, and it snaps it to the right hand side of my screen. And then I click on the other canvas and it snaps it to the left. I'm going to click Next. One more, Next. And there we go. See where it says Student Handout? This is actually our online textbook. Now this is a preview mode. And if you go ahead and click on the student handout, it'll be a little bit bigger and more easy to read. So open it up in the PDF file. And here's our textbook. And then you can see that you've got a side-by-side, which is easier to find and answer questions. Let's do 1 through 15 is required, and 16 through 23 will be extra credit. Okay, so another thing that's nice, it does go hand in hand, and by the way, I don't mind if you copy and paste some definitions here, that's okay. The idea is to just get you into the textbook and covering and reading some main concepts. If you are having trouble finding something, what's nice in this PDF format is you can do, for example, a Control F, and a little search bar pops up. So for example, if I was having trouble finding the answer to number 5, partnership, I could type in Control F and look for it, and it'll pull up that page. Okay, so a little handy tool. Once you're finished answering the questions over here, don't forget you need to save as. I like this PC documents. Give it a nice file name. Save it. And then you're going to go back to Canvas. I think I'm going to get rid of that assignment, make sure it doesn't show up for you, but there you go. There's our reading and learning guide. Submit assignment, choose your file, go find it, it's under this PC documents, and click, it shows up here, and submit. Okay, that's it. Thanks, I'll look forward to seeing everyone next week.